Okay, continue to learn English with the word "sol." How to use "sol" in the sentences. How to use "sol." The word "sol" is a modal verb. 1. "Sol" to express the future. Mostly used with I and we. "Sol" mostly used with I and we. Example, I shall call you tomorrow. I shall call you tomorrow. 2. To make offer or suggestion. To make offer or suggestion. Okay. Example, shall we go for a walk? Shall we go for a walk? Number 3. To express determination. To express determination. Example, you shall not pass without a ticket. You shall not pass without a ticket. Number 4. In legal or official language. In legal or official language. Example, the tenant shall pay rent on the first of every month. The tenant shall pay rent on the first of every month.